I decided to come to the coffee festival, which is near my house. And I didn't get your name.
I'm Kara.
Kara is going to teach me how to do a coffee pencil. Can you believe it? All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. So this is coffee clay made out of coffee waste. And do you know seaweed? Like
Seaweed?
gim, leo. So sticky bits of seaweed. We abstract sticky bits out of seaweed. So we made it as a powder. So this is a powder.
Okay, come a little bit closer.
So this is the powder, alright, and this is the coffee waste, coffee ground. So we mix it together, and then we also put a little bit of water to make it sticky. So, and we use this little machine to make it this long strap.
Or stretch it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So what's the name of this powder?
This is SA2.
SA2.
Yeah, SA2.
Okay.
So the first step is we gotta cut this clay into a certain length.
Okay.
So, do you see this cake? So, cut it in line.
With this.
Yeah.
Okay. Do I roll? Is it fine? Do I need to roll it?
카드도 되고 다 돼요.
Okay. I did it.
Yeah. And this is the core of the pencil. I don't know what.
죄송한데 제가 조금 이따 결제해 드릴게요. 네.
Lead?
Yeah.
Okay. So you gotta put this into the clay like this. But this clay is super easy to break or tear, so you gotta be careful. So try not to tear it.
I don't want to
So
tear it off.
just slowly, gently put it into it.
All right.
엄마 아빠가 커피 마시는 거 괜찮을까요? 친구 몇 학년이에요?
Okay, so
그러면은요, 커피는요, 커피 컵으로서 만들어지는 거예요. 그래서 커피 콩이 같이 준비가 돼서 이렇게 커피가 돼서 버려지는 하시면 순서대로 붙여주시면 되는데요.
after Sway, you play this in Squid Games. You break this, you dead.
Slowly.
Okay. How do kids do this? This is so difficult.
Some kids like it as like a egg. Some kids really well done.
I found it.
You found it?
So I'm doing it right now.
Yeah. Actually, there is a little hole for the pour. But it depends on the moisture of the day and the weather. So sometimes the hole is too narrow. Sometimes the hole is too big. You're doing it really well.
I have to like touch when it gets to a certain place so that it doesn't break. Then I have to roll it up after.
Yeah. And also, you gotta close the end so that the lead cannot be falling out. Also, now you have a special tool for it.
It's okay.
Yeah, but also you just don't need a tool. You did a really good job. So now put the end together. Okay, close the end and then roll it to make it even and nice. And then I have to take this back to the office and dry it for 3 days. And then we're going to coat with a product named Salad, which is little red bugs.
Oh, this.
This bug lives in Indonesia or Thailand. So that bug, when the bug trace has little like a snail jello thing.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so we cut with it, and that is used to used in making chocolates or candy. Yeah, you were eating. Yeah. So after 3 days, it becomes really hard and nice like this. So yeah,
Wow.
this is how we make it. I'm so sorry, the kids is running through this.
Alright guys. So this is my pencil, my coffee pencil, and it took less than 20 minutes. And I have to say, Biobeans is totally an amazing place, amazing company. This is so amazing for the environment.
And this elderly people, and senior.
Yeah.
Make it.
Oh,
Yes,
really?
make it.
This is good. Like,
Good. Yes, good.
social responsibility.
Yes, social responsibility. Yes.
Oh wow. Alright guys, check out Biobeans.